So remember to apply the 4 support that you need to develop awareness-based meditation. First, to relax body and mind, followed by maintaining awareness. To maintain awareness is very simple. You just silence your mind. When you don't think, the nature inside is just aware. But when thought arises, you lost your awareness because that thought took over. But for cultivator of the way, the awareness is always there. So when thought arises, the awareness is aware of the arising of thought. But that arising of thought is the mundane mind, the thinking mind. That one is condition arising, causal phenomena. It needs causes and condition for it to arise. And most of the time is from memory. Whatever your senses that has the ability to perceive the external phenomenal world of form through memory, it will process it and retrieve whatever memory or information within, which is your views, opinion, conditioning, and accumulated knowledge and memories. So this one create thought. That's why thought is respond to all these accumulated memories. And your content of consciousness means your mental intention and movement or volition. They come from your views, your opinion, and your conditioning. That's how you function as a human being. So relax, maintain awareness, then observe. The third support is maintain awareness for as long as you can. Then finally, when your awareness nature has stabilized, you have to start using the fourth support, which is trust. So here, trust is not used until later. When your awareness has stabilized, when you are quite skillful with the way you develop your meditation, then trust here means you trust your nature to do the meditation without the interference of thought. No need to know, no need to do anything, just aware. Then the awareness that is aware will understand. Then the awareness that is aware will develop the sensitivity and move. That's how you develop the understanding of what is going on. Then from there, wisdom arises, understanding will arise, because whatever that arises from your mundane mind, thinking mind, or the 5 aggregate of form and mind, they will unfold according to reality. And the mindfulness or the awareness within is the one that is capable of seeing all this, understanding all this. That's why you can understand clearly who are you, what are you, and what this phenomenal world of consciousness and form is all about, and how they arise, how creation come to be. Then you will also come to know that you have 2 minds. One is the normal, mundane, thinking mind, which you have been exposed to since birth until now. And this one has been so often used without understanding, so much so you forgot that you got another nature behind this mundane mind. And this nature is your awareness nature, which is your true mind. This true mind can only be realized when thought ceases, when thought is no longer active. Then it will arise. So with this understanding, I will let you meditate on your own.